Cancer. The very word evokes fear and uncertainty, and for good reason. It's a formidable foe that has plagued humanity for centuries, a disease that seems to strike indiscriminately, affecting people of all ages, backgrounds and walks of life. From the youngest child to the oldest adult, no one is immune to its reach. Despite tremendous advancements in medical science, cancer remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide. The statistics are staggering, with millions of new cases diagnosed each year and countless lives affected. But what makes cancer so difficult to conquer? The answer, like the disease itself, is complex and multifaceted. It involves a myriad of factors, from genetic mutations to environmental influences. Unlike many other diseases caused by a single pathogen, cancer is a collection of over 100 distinct diseases, each with its own unique characteristics and challenges. This diversity makes it incredibly challenging to develop a one-size-fits-all treatment. Wait a minute! Hey, friends! At this stage, kindly hit that subscribe button to always get notifications for the latest video by Taiwo Falana on this channel. Thank you for doing that. Let's continue at its core. Cancer is a disease of our own cells. It arises from within, making it a particularly insidious enemy. It's a rebellion within the very fabric of our being, a mutiny where cells break free from the body's intricate regulatory mechanisms and embark on a path of uncontrolled growth and proliferation. This rogue behavior disrupts the harmony of our cellular environment. This cellular anarchy disrupts the delicate balance of our organs and systems, leading to a cascade of complications that can be devastating. The impact is not just physical, but also emotional and psychological, affecting patients and their loved ones. While we've made significant strides in understanding cancer, developing effective treatments, and improving survival rates for many types of cancer, the fight is far from over. Each breakthrough brings us closer, but the journey is long and arduous. The journey to unlock the secrets of cancer and ultimately find a cure is an ongoing quest, a relentless pursuit that demands the brightest minds and unwavering dedication. It is a battle fought on many fronts, with hope and perseverance as our greatest allies. To truly grasp the complexities of cancer, we must first understand the fundamental unit of life, the cell. Cells are the building blocks of all living organisms, and their proper functioning is crucial for our survival. Our bodies are composed of trillions of cells, each meticulously programmed to perform specific functions that keep us alive and functioning. These cells work in harmony, ensuring that our organs and systems operate smoothly. Normally, cells grow, divide and die in a highly ordered manner, following strict instructions from our DNA, the blueprint of life. This process is tightly regulated to maintain balance and health within the body. Cancer disrupts this delicate balance. It throws the orderly process of cell growth and death into chaos, leading to uncontrolled cell proliferation. It begins with a single rogue cell, a cell that has undergone a series of genetic mutations, alterations in its DNA sequence. These mutations can change the way a cell behaves, making it grow and divide uncontrollably. These mutations can arise from a variety of factors, including errors during cell division, exposure to cancer-causing agents, or inherited genetic predispositions. Environmental factors like smoking, radiation, and certain chemicals can also contribute to these genetic changes. These mutations can wreak havoc on a cell's internal machinery, disrupting the intricate signaling pathways that control cell growth, division, and death. When these pathways are compromised, the cell loses its ability to function normally. As a result, the mutated cell loses its ability to respond to the body's regulatory signals and begins to divide uncontrollably, creating an army of abnormal cells. This unchecked growth is a hallmark of cancer. This uncontrolled proliferation of cells forms a mass of tissue known as a tumor. Tumors can vary greatly in size and impact on the body. Tumors can be either benign or malignant. Understanding the difference between these two types is crucial for determining the appropriate treatment and prognosis. Benign tumors, while abnormal, are typically slow-growing, do not invade surrounding tissues, and are rarely life-threatening. They can often be removed surgically with minimal risk of recurrence. Malignant tumors, on the other hand, are cancerous. They are aggressive and can invade nearby tissues, making them much more dangerous. They have the ability to invade nearby tissues and organs, spread to distant sites in the body, and disrupt the normal functioning of vital organs. This process, known as metastasis, is what makes cancer so deadly. The transformation of a normal cell into a cancerous one is often driven by mutations in specific genes that regulate cell growth and division. These mutations can disrupt the delicate balance that keeps cell proliferation in check, leading to uncontrolled growth. Among the key players in this genetic drama are oncogenes, proto-oncogenes, and tumor suppressor genes. Each of these genes has a unique role in maintaining cellular health and function. Proto-oncogenes are like the accelerators of cell growth and division. They send signals that tell cells when to grow and divide, ensuring that tissues develop properly and wounds heal efficiently. They play a crucial role in regulating normal cell behavior, ensuring that cells divide only when necessary for growth, repair, or replacement. This precise control is vital for maintaining the body's overall health and function. However, when proto-oncogenes mutate, they can become oncogenes like accelerators stuck in the on position. This mutation causes the cell to receive constant signals to divide even when it shouldn't. These genetic alterations can lead to uncontrolled cell proliferation, driving the formation and progression of cancer. The unchecked growth can result in tumors that invade surrounding tissues and spread to other parts of the body. Tumor suppressor genes, on the other hand, act as the brakes on cell growth and division. They help to slow down or stop cell division, ensuring that cells do not grow uncontrollably. They function as cellular guardians, preventing uncontrolled cell proliferation and promoting DNA repair. By fixing damaged DNA, they help maintain genetic stability and prevent mutations from accumulating. Mutations in tumor suppressor genes can disable these crucial brakes, allowing cells with damaged DNA to divide unchecked, increasing the risk of cancer development. Without these protective mechanisms, cells can accumulate more mutations, further driving cancer progression. Imagine a car with a faulty accelerator and broken brakes. The accelerator keeps the car speeding up, while the brakes fail to slow it down. The result is uncontrolled acceleration and a high risk of disaster. This analogy helps us understand how mutations in these critical genes can lead to catastrophic consequences for cellular health. Similarly, mutations in oncogenes and tumor suppressor genes disrupt the delicate balance of cell growth and division, paving the way for cancer to develop. Understanding these genetic mechanisms is crucial for developing targeted therapies to combat cancer. Our bodies are equipped with an intricate defense system. The immune system, designed to protect us from harmful invaders such as bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Remarkably, the immune system also plays a crucial role in recognizing and destroying cancerous cells, preventing many potential cancers from taking hold. Specialized immune cells, such as natural killer cells and cytotoxic T lymphocytes, can identify and eliminate cancer cells by recognizing specific markers on their surface. These markers, known as tumor antigens, act like red flags, alerting the immune system to the presence of abnormal cells. However, cancer cells are cunning adversaries. They have evolved sophisticated mechanisms to evade immune surveillance and destruction. Some cancer cells can suppress the immune response, preventing immune cells from effectively attacking them. Others can disguise themselves, hiding their tumor antigens, making them appear harmless to the immune system. This constant battle between the immune system and cancer is a delicate dance. When the immune system is functioning optimally, it can effectively eliminate many cancerous cells, preventing cancer from developing or progressing. However, when the immune system is weakened or overwhelmed, cancer cells can gain a foothold, proliferate, and spread throughout the body. While the seeds of cancer often lie within our genes, our environment plays a significant role in influencing cancer risk. Exposure to certain environmental agents, known as carcinogens, can damage our DNA, increasing the likelihood of mutations that can lead to cancer. Carcinogens come in many forms, including radiation. Ultraviolet radiation from the sun is a well-known carcinogen that can cause skin cancer. Exposure to ionizing radiation, such as X-rays and gamma rays, also increases cancer risk. Many chemicals found in our environment, including those in tobacco smoke, industrial pollutants and certain pesticides, are known carcinogens. Prolonged exposure to these chemicals can damage DNA and increase the risk of various cancers. Certain viruses, such as human papillomavirus, hepatitis B virus, and hepatitis C virus, can integrate their genetic material into the DNA of infected cells, disrupting normal cell function and increasing the risk of cancer. It's important to note that not everyone exposed to carcinogens will develop cancer. The risk of cancer depends on a complex interplay of factors, including the type and intensity of exposure, duration of exposure, genetic susceptibility, and lifestyle choices.